In my previous lecture, I have told you substitution method of integration, and I have given you few questions to solve. I hope all of you have done. If you have done, you can tell me what is the answer and you can verify your answer, because now I will explain you, because many of you have not done yet. So let us start with question number 1, that is cosec x. I think cosec x you have done. I will explain you the integration of sec x, and same way you can try cosec x. Suppose we want to integrate sec x, and we have idea that derivative of sec x is sec x tan x, but tan x is not there. Suppose somehow we multiply it by tan x and divide it by tan x, then derivative of tan x is sec square x. So it is little confusing what to do and how to find this. I have just told you, in substitution method sometimes we have got the derivative of a function along with that, but sometimes we have to create, sometimes we have to multiply and divide. But by what expression or by what function we need to multiply and divide this so that it will gives you derivative? So you have to learn it, because it is a direct formula. In future you will use it. Suppose we multiply this by sec x plus tan x and divide it by sec x plus tan x dx. You can ask why we multiplied it. See, if we take sec x plus tan x is equal to t, derivative of sec x will be sec x tan x, plus derivative of tan x will be sec square x. Along with that, put dx and is equal to dt. I have told you, wherever you have to assume a function is equal to t, simply differentiate that and put along with that dx is equal to t, derivative of t is 1, and put dt along with that. So dekho, when you take sec x common from here, what left? Sec x plus tan x dx is equal to dt. Here we can substitute this thing. Numerator is this. So this will become 1 upon t dt, because this was t. Now integration of 1 upon t is log t plus c is equal to log t was sec x plus tan x plus c, and some of the books, in some of the books you can see कि यहाँ पर bar लगा हुआ होगा. It is always bar because log is defined for positive numbers only. So by this way you can find the integration of sec x. Similarly you can find the integration of cosec x, as I have just told you that if we multiply something like cosec plus cot in numerator and denominator, you will get the result. You have to do that also if not done till now. After that, I have told you to solve the question 1 upon sin square x cos square x. 1 upon sin square x cos square x dx. इसमें आप लिटिल ट्रिकी भी हो सकते हो, क्योंकि आप देखेंगे साइन का डेरिवेटिव कोस नहीं है, कोस का डेरिवेटिव साइन यहाँ पर नहीं है. तो व्हाट टू डू? Let us simply multiply numerator, or not multiply. Numerator was 1, so you can write here sin square x plus cos square x. जब आप इसे divide करेंगे तो it will become 1 upon cos square x plus 1 upon sin square x dx, and 1 upon cos square x is sec square x dx, plus 1 upon sin square x is cosec square x dx. And we know the formula of tan square x, integration of sec square x is tan x, and integration of cosec square x is minus cot x plus c. So this way you can solve this question. काफी आसान है ये, it's not very difficult. And one more question I have given you, to integrate sine 4x upon sine 2x. Sine 4x upon sine 2x. We all know we can write sine 4x is equal to sine 2 into 2x upon sine 2x integration. Now integration sine 2 theta is 2 sine 2 theta cos 2 theta upon sine 2 theta d theta. In place of theta we have got 2x. So f, this is function sine 2x is cancelled. What left? 2 cos 2x dx. Now in substitution method I have told you, you can take 2x is equal to t. It gives you 2 dx is equal to dt. Dx is equal to dt by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 cos t dt. It gives you cancellation and it gives you sine t plus c, and sine t was 2x plus c. So this way you can write the answer. Now let me give you some more questions which you can solve by substitution method. Integration of sin x under root 1 plus cos 2x dx. You just solve this and you have got 5 minutes. 5 minutes for this question. I hope all of you have done. If not done, let me tell you. You can take here integration of sin x 1 plus cos 2x. You can take 2 cos square x minus 1 dx. 1 will cancel. It gives you root 2 cos x. Root 2 will come outside. Sin x cos x dx. You can put sin x is equal to t. It gives you cos x dx is equal to dt, and you can simply integrate. I think all of you have done it like that. Now in terms of algebraic expression, let me explain you question type of like 1 upon, somehow if we have got x cube minus 1 x dx, we need to integrate this and we have no idea how to use substitution method here. We all know to use substitution method we must have a function whose derivative is in fact present there, but here nothing is like there. Derivative of x cube is in terms of 3x square, there is no x square, and derivative of x is 1, then what will we do with this one? So it is little confusing. So in these type of questions, or you can learn this pattern in these type of questions, wherever you have got problem, you just multiply both numerator and denominator by a x raised to the power 1 less than this. Here we have got x cube. Let us multiply both numerator and denominator by x square. So this will become something like that. X square upon x cube into x cube minus 1. What will be the benefit? Now if we take x cube is equal to t, its derivative is 3x square dx is equal to dt. You can replace x square dx by dt upon 3. So it gives you 1 upon 3 dt. 1 upon x cube is t, so it is t into t minus 1. Now it is quite easy for us to convert this into simplest form and to integrate. How? 1 upon 3, we can write numerator 1 as t minus 1, t into t minus 1 dt. Check it, t minus t will cancel with t and minus minus plus 1. So it is a little adjustment to solve the question. Now divide this by this denominator, it will become 1 upon 3 t upon t into t minus 1. T will cancel, it is 1 upon t minus 1 dt. And here minus 1 upon 3 t minus 1 will cancel with t minus 1, it is 1 upon t dt. Then you have to substitute t minus 1 is equal to u. It gives you 1 dt is equal to du, that is 1 upon u du. और आपको मैं एक ट्रिक बता दे रहा हूं, अगर नीचे वाले का डेरिवेटिव ऊपर हो तो log ऑफ नीचे वाला लिख लेते हैं. If derivative of denominator is numerator, then its integration is log of denominator. It is up to you now how will you solve it. It is 1 upon 3 log t minus 1 minus 1 upon 3 log t plus c. Log a minus log b is equal to log a upon b. So you can write it as log t minus 1 upon t plus c. 1 upon 3, what was t? X cube. So log x cube minus 1 upon x cube plus c. So you can solve these type of questions. I am giving you one more question. 1 upon x into x x raised to the power 12 minus 1 dx. 1 upon x into 1 minus x square dx. 1 upon x into x raised to the power n plus 1 dx. I am giving you these questions. Try all these questions. All these are of same pattern. I am giving you 5 minutes for all these. Take these 5 minutes and try to solve the answer. As soon as you solve, just unmute yourself and let me know that you have done it. Now, in terms of substitution also, let me tell you some more type of questions which can be solved by substitution method but are little different. Integration of x under root x plus 2. ये एक पैटर्न है बच्चों, मैं आपको पैटर्न की बजाय सीधा सीधा क्वेश्चन की फॉर्म में बता रहा हूं. Here the derivative of x plus 2 is 1, which is not in fact outside. We all know how to integrate a function whose derivative is lies outside, but here derivative is not lies outside. तो हमें यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी होना पड़ेगा. क्या ट्रिक करेंगे? Let us add 2 and subtract 2 from x. It will become something like that. Now multiply under root x plus 2 inside. It gives you x plus 2 raised to the power 1 and half 3 by 2 dx. And then minus, take 2 constant outside, integration of x plus 2 raised to the power half dx. तो इस तरह से थोड़ा simplest बन गया. When you put x plus 2 is equal to t now, it gives you dx is equal to dt. Let us substitute here. It gives you t raised to the power 3 by 2 dt minus 2 into t raised to the power half dt. We have a formula of integration of x raised to the power n, that is x raised to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So it is something like t raised to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 into t raised to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. It gives you t raised to the power 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2. You can write here 2 by 5 minus 2 t raised to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, 2 by 3 plus c. And what was t? That is x plus 2. So this question will become 2 upon 5 x plus 2 raised to the power, it was 5 by 2, 5 by 2 minus 4 by 3 x plus 2 raised to the power 3 by 2 plus c. So by this way you can solve questions by the use of substitution method of some tricky questions. सेम ऐसा ये क्वेश्चन मैं आपको दे रहा हूं 7x माइनस 2 इंटू अंडर रूट 3x प्लस 2 dx. ये भी सेम ही क्वेश्चन है. आई होप यू ऑल कैन डू इट. अगर आपसे नहीं होगा तो आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. You just take 5 complete minutes to solve this. 5 complete minutes to solve this. आई होप कुछ बच्चों ने तो ये जरूर कर लिया होगा. अगर नहीं किया तो मैं आपको बता रहा हूं ये क्वेश्चन कैसे होगा. इसमें हमारे को बाहर वाले फंक्शन को इसके जैसा बनाना है. इसके जैसा, ये इसकी ट्रिक है. कैसे बनाएंगे इसको? हम सबसे पहले तो x का कोफिशिएंट यहाँ 7 है, हमें 3 बनाना है तो 7 कॉमन ले लीजिए और 3 बनाने के लिए 3 से डिवाइड और 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए. सो दिस विल बिकम, व्हेन यू टेक 7 कॉमन इट विल बिकम x माइनस 2 अपॉन 7. लेकिन जब आपने 3 से मल्टीप्लाई और 3 से डिवाइड किया तो दिस विल बिकम 3x माइनस 6 अपॉन 7 एंड दिस पार्ट विल रिमेन सेम अंडर रूट 3x प्लस 2 dx. अभी हमारा x वाला पार्ट तो हो गया, लेकिन हमें इसके जैसा ही बनाना है, प्लस 2 बनाना है. तो कुछ नहीं करना है, इसमें बहुत आसान है. 2 ऐड कर दीजिए और 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए. 3x प्लस 2 माइनस 2 माइनस 6 अपॉन 7 इंटू अंडर रूट 3x प्लस 2 dx. नाउ दिस बिकम जस्ट लाइक दैट. सो 7 अपॉन 3, this will become 3x plus 2 minus 7 to the 14 minus 6, 20 upon 7 into under root 3x plus 2 dx. जस्ट अब इसको सीधा सीधा मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 7 अपॉन 3 इंटीग्रेशन दिस इंटू दिस, पावर 1.5 3 by 2, 3x plus 2 raised to the power 3 by 2 dx माइनस 7 अपॉन 3 इंटू 20 अपॉन 7 यहां से आ गया एंड इट गिव्स यू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 3x प्लस 2 रेज टू द पावर हाफ dx. रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट आप बिल्कुल वैसे ही करेंगे कंप्लीट जैसे मैंने बेबी आपको पिछले क्वेश्चन में बताया था. आप उसे ऐसे ही अभी कंप्लीट करके मुझे आंसर बताते हैं.